Crochet Tutorial Pineapple Flavored Little Bag. Materials needed: 3mm crochet hook, Susu G's 5-grain cotton yarn or any preferred yarn, scissors, yarn needle, small ball of cotton for stuffing, green yarn for drawstring and finishing touches, a button optional for decoration. Step 1. Start with the magic ring. 1. Create a magic ring with your yarn and hook. 2. Pull the yarn through the ring and wrap it counterclockwise around the hook. 3. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook, chain stitch. 4. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook to create your first double crochet. Step 2, first round 16 double crochets. 1. Crochet 15 more DC into the magic ring, total 16 DC. 2. Pull the tail of the yarn to tighten the magic ring. Insert the hook into the first DC and slip stitch slisty to join the round. Step 3, second round, increase stitches. 1. This counts as the first DC. 2. Crochet 2 DC in each stitch around, increase every stitch. Total 32 DC. 3. Join the round with a selst into the first DC. Step 4. Start the pattern. 1. 3 counts as the first DC, then CH1. 2. Yarn over and crochet another DC into the same stitch. This creates your first pattern set. 1 DC, 1 stitch, 1 D3. Skip 2 stitches and crochet the following pattern in the third stitch. 1 DC, 1 CH, 1 DC, 1 DC, 1 CH, 1 DC. This is one pattern set. 4. Repeat this pattern around, skipping 2 stitches each time. 5. Join the round with a selst into the chain space. Step 5, third round single crochet in each stitch. 1, 4 counts as the first DC. 2. Crochet 1 DC into each stitch around. 3. Join the round with a cell steek into the first DC. Step 6, fourth round. Continue chain 1 for turning, then crochet 1 DC into each stitch around. Join the round with a cell cycle into the first DC. Step 7, fifth round decreasing stitches. Alternate between stitches. Merge the first and second stitches of each set into 1 DC. Merge the third and fourth stitches of each set into 1 DC. 2. Repeat this pattern all the way around. 3. This will reduce the stitch count by half. For example, if you started with 32 stitches, you'll end up with 16 stitches. Step 8, finish the body of the bag. 1. Crochet in rounds, adjusting as needed to shape the bag. 2. Once you're satisfied with the size of the body, join the round with SLC into the first DC. Step 9, adding the drawstring. 1. Cut a length of green yarn and create a slipknot. 2. Thread the green yarn through the open spaces along the top edge of the bag. 3. Tie knots at both ends to secure the drawstring. 4. Optionally, you can add a decorative button at the top for extra flair. Step 10, making the small ball for the bag. 1. 6 to start a small circle. 2. Crochet in rounds, increasing stitches as needed to form a ball. 3. Once you reach the desired size, use a yarn needle to attach the ball to the bag. 4. Add cotton stuffing to the ball to give it firmness. Step 11, final touches. 1. Use a yarn needle to tuck in any loose ends. 2. Your pineapple-flavored little bag is now finished and ready to use. Notes: customize the bag with different yarn colors or additional decorative elements like beads, buttons, or charms. You can adjust the stitch count or the size of the bag to suit your preferences.